Hello and welcome students to another video lecture of English grammar. Today we are going to study about regular and irregular plurals. So without wasting much time, let's move further into the video and start studying. First of all, we need to know what is singular and plural noun. Singular stands for one and plural stands for more than one. Therefore, the name of only one person, place, animal, or thing is called as a singular noun. For example, tree, girl, city. These words stands for only one object, person, or thing. While the name of more than one person, place, animal, or thing is called as a plural noun. The plural is made by adding suffixes like s, es, ies, and ves. Suffixes are the letters that are added at the end of the word. Therefore, the plural form of tree will be trees, girl will be girls, and city will be cities. Regular plurals. Regular plurals are those plurals that use the rule of adding suffixes like s, es, ies, and ves to make their plurals. Such plural nouns are called as regular plurals. Like the previous example, trees, girls, and cities are regular plurals. Let us know what are irregular plurals. The nouns that do not use such suffixes and they have a completely different word as a plural noun are called as irregular plurals. Examples of irregular plurals we will study further into the video. First of all, let us know about certain rules that are used to convert the nouns from singular to plural. First rule, by adding s. For most of the plural form of the nouns, we add s. For example, the plural of bottle is bottles. The plural of cup is cups. The plural of pencil is pencils. The plural of desk is desks. The plural of sticker is stickers. The plural of window is windows. Rule second, by adding es. For the nouns that end in s, x, o, ch, sh, we add es to make them plural. For example, box. Since box ends in x, so we add es to form its plural. So it becomes boxes. Similarly, watch ends in ch. The plural is watches. Moss end in s. The plural is mosses. Tomato ends in o. The plural is tomatoes. Wish ends in sh. So the plural is wishes. Rule 3. By adding ves. For the words or the nouns ending in f or fe, we remove the f and fe and add ves to make plural. For example, wolf. It ends in f. So to make it into plural, we remove the letter f and add the suffix ves. So the plural of wolf becomes wolves. Similarly, plural of wife is wives. We make it into plural by removing the last fe and adding the suffix ves. So it becomes wives. Leaf becomes leaves and life becomes lives. Rule 4. By adding ies. For the nouns ending in y are made plural by removing y and adding ies. For example, The plural of baby is made plural by removing the letter y and adding the suffix ies, so it becomes babies. Lady, we remove the last letter y and add the suffix ies, so the plural of lady becomes ladies. But we have an exception in this rule. Exception means certain words that do not follow this rule even though they end in y. For the words that end in y but they are preceded by a vowel before y, such words do not use this rule. Instead, they are made plural by simply adding s. For example, boy. Over here, as we can see, in the spelling of boy, the last letter is y. Then too, we are not going to use the rule of adding ies. Instead, we are going to add s because the last letter y is preceded by a vowel and not a consonant. The rule of adding ies is only used when y is preceded by a consonant. In the case when y is preceded by a vowel, we do not use this rule and instead we use the conventional rule of adding s. So the plural of boy is boys and the plural of key is keys. Now let us come to irregular plurals. As we had studied in the previous slides, irregular plurals are the nouns that do not use the conventional rule of adding s, es, ies and ves suffixes to make plural. Instead, they have a completely different word that is used as its plural. So let us see few examples to understand irregular plurals in a better way. Some singular and plural forms of irregular plurals. A few nouns have the same singular and plural form. For example, sheep. The plural of sheep is sheep. The plural of deer is deer. The plural of species is species. And the plural of series is series only. In these words, as we can see, the noun doesn't change its form from singular to plural even though when it's made into plural form. Such plurals are called as irregular plurals. Some nouns have a completely different word as their plural forms. Such plurals are also known as irregular plurals. For example, the plural of child is children. The plural of woman is women. The plural of man is men. The plural of mouse is mice. And the plural of goose is geese. I hope you people have understood what are regular and irregular plurals. That was all for today's lecture. Thank you so much and stay safe.